Napu's house, right?
Come.
Isn't it right that we're swimming in Napu's house?
We're going to... There's a beach where we're going on the other side.
You're going to the other side?
There's the beach, the nice beach, and the restaurant somewhere behind the trees. Okay.
That's the place where we were, right, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Now we're going back there from here, right?
Keep going.
We're going to Napu's house, right?
Keep going.
Aren't
Keep going,
we saying
please. Please.
Aren't we saying what's in our destinations, right?
Mm.
Does it have to be one or
Soon we arrive.
going to get far away from them here then? This is actually fun.
Mm-hmm.
There's all kind of stuff here.
Let's go to the rock. We can see the beach.
Go to the rock. But it's actually, you have to be careful with wet. That's not really good.
Just hold my hand.
Okay.
Step on there.
This safe no.
Just step in there. Just go.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. There's the beach. Soon going there.
You're like 1 minute
The
ago
restaurant
there, now
somewhere
we're there.
behind. What?
1 minute ago we were there.
Yes. And now we're going that way.
Yeah. Now let's go back.
See you in the next chapter. Wait.